Hi Joel, thank you for joining us at Outreach today. Could you tell us a bit about yourself?
Well, I'm a Zimbabwean
Mm-hmm.
who came from Zimbabwe some years ago, 2002, until now. I'm here in England.
Okay. Well, just some quick fire questions to start you off. What's your favourite drink?
Oh, Guinness.
Guinness. Oh, settled in well here then. What's your favourite venue or location or place in Leicester?
Well, where we are here in the garden.
In your allotment?
Yes,
Yeah. Is that is it almost like a second home?
sure.
What colour socks are you wearing?
Oh!
Are you wearing socks?
Yes, I'm wearing socks. If I'm not mistaken, I think they're black.
Well, I suppose you don't want to get them to get dirty, do you, if they're a colour?
Yeah.
What's for tea tonight?
Second.
What's for tea tonight? Dinner or lunch or?
I've got some, I'm a vegan,
Mm-hmm.
so I've got lots of tomolia and of course some soya stuff.
Sounds delicious.
And also I've just noticed that I've kept some pumpkins from
Uh-huh.
last year, so I'm going to have that tonight as well.
Sounds great. And then, if you're listening to any music today, what have you been listening to?
I wish I could just play it right away whilst you...
Oh, what's the song called?
It's reggae.
Reggae.
Oh, fab. And then, tell us a bit about yourself and your work here in the garden.
Well, I'm someone who is desperate to have my status, to have a status in this country, but unfortunately it's taking long, but that is not actually, hold me back, because I'm here, I'm enjoying gardening, and I mean, seeing all these things growing, it gives me enthusiasm that it will change.
And then, could you tell us a bit about your story? So you said you're from Zimbabwe originally?
Yes, I'm from Zimbabwe, but the thing is, when I came here, my status, I came here as an asylum seeker, and I still have not been granted. So that's all I can say.
That must be tough, but then even when it comes to your garden, how did you come and establish that? How did you set it up?
Because as this is a part of therapy, I discovered that it's even more than therapy, because I'm growing things, sharing with people, and all that sort of things,
What advice could you give to someone else who wants to do the same thing and maybe set up their own garden and allotment?
It only takes courage and determination, and also if you like to do what you are doing, to enjoy. With vegetables, it's something that you can grow and see tomorrow, so it doesn't resist. So yes, it's easy to grow vegetables, even on the window sills. You can build, you can grow anything, even along the way on your passage, you can grow anything, because it's the soil and the seed and water. That's all that's needed.
So everyone can be a gardener.
Yes.
And then finally, what makes you happy?
Oh, I'm happy because I'm blessed to be here in Leicester, growing vegetables and sharing with other, my fellow asylum seekers and refugees as well.
Well, thank you so much for speaking to us, Joel. We really do appreciate our outreach. We can't wait to see what your garden grows over the coming months and hopefully taste a few more bits as well. Thank you so much for having us.
My pleasure.